Mo akwaba shonko aba Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi so world of entertainment. Dear chagu dear fata oni no sum no. Jade bi esom din de Sandra o heme ametiwa. Dwuma nyame adom. Entertainment ame Ghana for chemu a. Me a me guy.
Where do you jayo?
Mo my friend mo pia.
Sunday be a guy.
Why ni na wa say ho. Ebusua. Once they say countdown na eguso ekosa no. Your best use the ballots, not the bullets. And only campaigner, your sister station, no more in Shry FM. Any guso yan the danger, yes, you so more. But what do you use ballots no mean you su bullet? Send now no me much chain come. Say, memma obi you. Send now no me no can say, oh, yam pedu, or passport, move visa back with say, be mum. It is some sisters here, either be quajeti, or be latte. And now do any better aguna straight road. Once the horse was no being out. And it's about my so best on so. So, Memo being you so. Nipa no be you soon, no be Sassan and Mawing, if you are an Mawa manone. One form of man or Mombay Santo Cano, Emano. And I keep telling you, say, war is not just about pulling guns. War, it goes beyond that. If there's war, there's no freedom. Wouldn't mean dear Jana Quacondo, but the line where could he open a side. Meaning, say, won't penisa, into just use your thumb. Power ningina will cokromotino emu. And until Adom TV, a cokromoti power. Ko na kotwaba na kofi. Train and king kaima easy now say. Na yingina yam for don't na because Ghana is a very peaceful country. Ya can you be sister and na report eh. Bo kokra na make report here from Moboko. Medi bra election. Mommy on consem no sweat rather. And Shoma season 7, a jenya ba bedru. A idea ye pa hon toma our West Hills Mall. Now we heard Senya, ye call region by region, echo pay and kwalo mukra talent in order for a jumana ne dema ye pa because a more funny buying in no be a good. Be our talent. And you ask yourself, say, hey, now we are selected 20, no. It took us weeks to do the selection. And a yabo manu as say nipa 20. Jedomo Kosa War Front no in Shoma season 7. Now me sure boss said this particular season in where because squad near tight. Squad na e ba fi no omo very tight. O babwom o area girl boom. Wa sorry baby o school ni bi wo ma. Emre na ni say o be start pe short code no ntem so o be penny din. And I say ma me ba kwase ne ba de Tracy. O person ye ni titi. Na me say ye titi ah, ye ni titi. And we be call ye trim fast. Timon flat most starting panic names in them. Oh, we're from Mampon, sounds yan from my sons. Hey, no, there's a competition na where remuno near who say women business. And Shoma was a yes, right? Jenny Wazo, ye shwani swad ye send yanra, a chagu ye or west still so number. Ya buy at one similar son. Enti we de me say hon popoye kakra but ye hwe mo fire for no na hu sene a wo be show mani mu nso ne omudin what I say enti contestants no omuni Adobia Emerald Abedi oko school or Ekuama Memorial School nkoko Adobia no Adobia wo okuapim ni yenko aha nti mofra na wo show mo nso saa na wo show din no mo starting nicknames we so ye Alberta Rama Coca oko school Delight International School Cape Coast I say na so back Itakrade auditions or 8 years na mo show mo na wo show mo nso saa e de mame we Annabella Sonsoman Pananel, Ghana Christian International High School, Adansia Square, or him. Edino pedie musa we modu pedie so e bekoye ho ntem wate aha na yen hwe musa na ye hu na wo hwe mo nso we ye as dangel nana ja sikapa jesi oba oh let me say a mistake because I said that we na say season 7 when na girls perfect because wa baby last year ekoya ko final 10. It is say season 7 mo girls perfect ni aseda Celestina. Aha, mo nhyɛ ne nso if you honor girls perfect. Ya ni abrepa aseda ni Kofia no Asante Primary School Suhum Nankase or 6 Debbie aseda ni 6. Okay, all right. Belinda Baba Money. Oko school of Kwaisin JHS school Takwa Naboso 13 years. Or 13 years. Ay, kwalani bi wala tojin baby. What I say, omo didi kama. Bernard Owusu Damwa, or 13 years, of school encrying in Grace DA Basic School. Asin Dama. Okay, that's the guy. Too good. We catch us a team. We're tight. We're very good. Blessing Otabel, Oko School of Fete Church of Christ DA Basic School. Gomwa Fete. One don you know chemwa obeye de one don ye no be chen kra this season eja dem eja chiato papa ni abre and away so ye Caprice and our Caprice Adelaide Forson Future Home Child Care Academy Mankesim we assistant girls prefect because on also audition last 2 years me pe obi or try I know I try bi what I say Abrantie we so smon sha nen so my friend Desmond Elliot abuwa edin no Desmond Elliot ankoma okosku abu esi Methodist Basic School na ese obofo nkrofo no so asa ababiem enibre aba pa yen hwede oto aswe na mo sha nen so Elizabeth Quaison okos St Matthew Catholic Basic School Takwa or 12 years and that is Nshoma season 7. Emilia Buadua, of course, St. John, the Evangelist School, Asen Sibinso, or 12 years. Sister Amy, season 7. It's only all my 2. No, she my friend Francesca Adom, Prize B Model School, Suhum Nankase, or 10 years. Praise before crew, as some drink on Frida. Wow, within so, mammy. Within so, pedin for room, was it? Joseph Kumi Kwansa, Oko Prophetess Mary Bois for Memorial School, was Saint Anquaso, a symphony gym, or 7 years. Michaela Ali, Oko School, King's Paradise International School, Ashama in Taifa, or 12 years. Oh, but life. I'll turn on lip gloss come up. The girl, Nadia Segu, or Steve Joy Academy Trade, or Kumasi audition, or 11 years. What's the nickname? Lady Nash. Lady Nash. That's nice. Nancy Donko, or Shama, Senior High, Shama Kumasi, or 13 years. Tracy or say Bonsu, ATTC Practice Basic School, or Boise Uncle Kerry, Acro Kerry, or 11 years. Now, when and Crawford say, or my de Ghana Bisia vibes, no, or my Ghana Bisia vibes. Almost one to say, or any near me as a Ghana Bisia. So this is Nshoma season 7 contestant, no, a fee for 20. Now we'll show many moons. Squad me do yami, or more so tight. Nshoma this season, just tattoo. Yen some of the performances, no, Emra Yaba will be a graduate, me the better what I say, Yabasisia. Memwakwaba Shonko Nshoma season 7. We outside. I'll take a course for us. I need the sister Sandy B. A guy, Memwakwaba Shonko 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yabo say home. baby boy, the first boy to enter. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I'm smiling, but I'm dead inside.
Hey.
On fire. Yes, no. What's your million yam when he was any name? I do my mother every day.
Yeah, but for actions, can you know who you my interest said you? Why? Memoir.
Come for Adom Ahosepe, hallelujah. Mebo dinachirobia.
And see, I've done quality in us. One more mobile audition on Yamen come home. My catcher say, if you try and far, keep trying, try again till Sebefa. What I say, Yamen come home, So now back to Enra launch, you know. Near with two great artists. Also, Joyce Blessing was one of them, and Guru was one of them. Real quick, you heard Joyce Blessing, the performance in Bryce's year. no, as soon as fans the gay or West still small, no. Guru is one of the, if not the artists where the most hit songs are, or one of them. Applause. Momon send for mom. Yada must say, see a tone suffer, mobile money efe. Guru and joy is blessing. Yada must see, Yamin Shamo na on fan shimam. So that is in Stroma. It's me sure by now the why ready. Who dear deba hits baba and a jadeba. Yan to us na menka also will be a graduate. Will be a graduate. Sinichani ma say wa etimi ako school a graduate. And any just some man who see any order. It's more fun who came over her. Sunny or try picture knows him say school dear ye. School dear ye de be a mecha say at least bon whom I didn't go through secondary school, ne who didn't throw. Near beside how are you waiting me I am fine. If you want to bet me a business. In fact, the richest people on earth, they are business people. What I say? But men not say better say school they won't go cry. Yeah, school is very good. It's my Mr. Wana. I graduated as usual. Kuma would stars, no. Ekotanichi, of course, she's one of them. It's here her son Yakoi.
All right. Please, let's have some order here. Let's be on our feet. Let's be on our feet. The national anthem is now ready to be played, so let's have an order. Of Oxford University today.
Yanko. Okay. Yanko.
This ceremony.
So a very big congratulations to you, baby girl. Why are there? Why are there? One fans now social name mu atopa Jane bia wako school no, and we are so proud of you. Nyame inshallah that is it. Sheesh. Eja wom. Congrats. It's so beautiful to witness. Me sure some mommy wa ha. Nani baby will be she's so excited. You've done well for yourself. Now you know a graduate here from the creative space, you know. Martin come on so graduate. Let me say no Ghana for Monshadante me boy. As a way no because we no stars ne could go you know. Who me Mata. Martin come on so sweat me ako school. Gay as I say was showing ameno on that was ako school account. Now way why about when you cry because Oba was showing me Oba and for boy decent was ako school. Martha, you too. What's why I dear pa? Congratulations to you. Business school. Next, it's not the business. By now, there. Oh, can I say your court and go do be cool? What do be cool business auditorium quiet? When you have break, congratulations, baby girl. That is too dope. Tino Martha, so no. Big congratulations. Your machine go UK. I want to mean you are my KMJ. I could pay more. Which you more shall friend poor man soon new movie no. The premiere was too dope. KMJ were eyewitness news no they bring me Ghana hano. Which the premiere was solid. The cast were there and they came out in their numbers. They say yeah, chance Ghana premiere no. And also so ebeba swa. Na KMJ no ma fananka ho. Huh? Then I was I go to Japan crowd ho. Sanya KMJ cheshe toast na say mo feature me no. When you steady pa. Nti enie kama pa. Nti twen Ghana premiering and trust me, Shelley is one of those people, man, putting Ghana on the map through movies. Shelley, I think saying celebrating enough because she's done an amazing job for the movie industry. Omo ye egu ni nyina say Shelley gusu twa Kobe Run and so gusu twa. Ti aden de obetwa ti nyame shamo movie ne ko ye pa. Nti eno no. To my man crush Monday. On say yeah debiano e juada ni wukuo we celebrate people nko for mo tiase mbe say obekwa afina na ye koye obituary ten na no yi so yi say debi nipa ne tiase enfa ne flowers ama no ane nipa oye me man crush Monday aye Charles ni ama Frank bonsem wo ho de din pa be 2 minutes enyai that's right Charles Niaman and man crush. Weber. Nyabotre man brother. Or you man crush Monday. Shatta Wally and your friend. The guy has done an amazing job for the music industry. You see, no two ways about it. Say the current hitters collabo in the music industry. Hey, Wally, and Beyonce. What do I say? Because Beyonce has been rated overall best musician in the whole world. And Shatta Wale has a collabo with her. What else? We appreciate you. Ghana Dawase. You've paved the way. You've paved the way for artists or mobile Nubianya Kukudru air fighter for the right. So, yo, Wale, we love you. Keep being amazing and keep being yourself. You are my man crush Monday. You are doing amazing. The biggest artists in Ghana, the biggest artists with biggest collabos, biggest artists helping the upcoming. I can go on and on and on. Mepon, what? But I know we say we SM fan. Mepon. Well, but Kofi Ampedu, a overall general overseer, war her bedroom to say your best summer morning show. No, Mark Weber, I'm a director. OPD, Jejon, Momo, me producer, sir, or more etamechi. Edmond, a cinematographer, responsibly. Ojina camera nechi, one Prince, Elliot. Albert and so her Frank sound. MC, I'll be out time at Chibiano. But I say I'm the guys going same time Wednesday. I'll be here. I'm out. See ya.